Hey everybody, Jamie Holroyd here helping you learn jazz guitar. Welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to play the melody to Blue Bossa on the guitar. If you'd like to get a downloadable PDF of this melody, then you can do so by supporting me on Patreon. Blue Bossa is a classic tune which is played all the time at jam sessions, so it's worth memorising the chords and the melody to this one. If you'd like to know how to comp over this like I do in the intro video, then you can learn that comping style by clicking the video which should appear in a card now. Let's get into the melody. Okay, so we're in the key of C minor here. We're starting on the G note, the 5th of the key. I'm playing it on the 10th fret of the 5th string, then jumping up an octave to the high G note right there. After that we've got a descending scalic motion, so from the G we go. The first phrase finishes on the tonic, so. Following that we're playing into the F minor. We've got a B flat going into A flat. Then we've got a G going into F. The focus on these guide tones really brings to the ear to the F minor chord, which is the chord that both of these two notes are over. So the first two phrases sound like this. Following that we've got another descending scale phrase. We're now playing over the 2-5-1 in C minor. We're starting on the F, which is the 3rd of the D minor 7 flat 5. Here we're playing into the B flat, which is interesting because the chord is G, which goes to show that chord scale relationship is always a suggestion. Typically you would expect to see a B natural over here, but we've actually got the minor 3rd or the sharp 9 at this point, and it creates a really wonderful sound. So that phrase once again. To bring it back in, this phrase resolves to the 5th of the C minor. There I've gone A flat to G. Then it goes F to E flat. So the focus on these guide tones really helps bring you back in. You can really hear a dark to light sound at this point in the progression, right? We're now at the 2-5-1 in D flat major. Here we're starting on the E flat, which is the tonic of the 2 chord. Another descending phrase there, which is just going down a D flat major scale. But you're starting on the E flat and going from there to the A flat. Following this, we've got this little motif. So that's A flat twice. Sorry, G flat twice, which goes to F, B flat, back to F, and then A flat. So once again we're focusing on guide tones of that D flat to really give this melody a sense of the chord that it's being played on. So the 2-5-1 in D flat phrase sounds like this. The very last phrase of the melody sounds like this. And this is over 2-5-1 in C minor again. And then we've got A flat to G to B flat. We've got the phrase twice. And then it finally resolves by going A flat and finishing on the G note right there. A lot of people will add variations to all of this melody, but particularly on this last phrase, rather than just go, a lot of people go, and that will often make it sound more musical. Here are all 16 bars played together. I hope that you found that useful. Hopefully with a bit of practice you'll be able to go out and play this at jam sessions or with friends. If you have any questions about this, then please leave them in the comment section below, and if you want more content like this, then please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.